Joshua and I helped move the fridge. I'm actually pretty useless.
We are.
It's for the grandparents, so.
Did they change the doors for you?
No.
They didn't?
Actually, this is a, another one came in after you were there,
Uh-huh.
and this one's the same, pretty much the same as the other. She didn't get to test this one. She
Oh,
said
no.
She said the other one was not as cool as she would like it. And she said she didn't get a chance to test this. She said, it's up to you if you want to try it. I said, I want to try it. I think...
Walking at night while it's raining. Do you see the rain up there? How much it's raining? With my brother, who I am waiting for him to follow me. It is so cold out here. All I'm wearing is a sweater. That's my handprint when I was 13. I can't believe Dad kept that. That is so sweet. Oh my gosh, my hand is so massive now. And actually it fits. I'm not grown since I was 13. Wait a minute. I was 16. I was 16, never mind. I thought I was 13 there.
Hey.
Ready, Josh?
Yep.
In the pouring rain.
That's not too bad.
Look at that shadow. Well, thanks for coming with me.
Mm-hmm.
Went up the alleyway. This is where people get murdered.
No.
From me! I'll murder you. Well, this is really boring. Ooh, the light came on. Motion sensor. Anyway, we're just walking.
But tomorrow I'll watch The Boss Baby.
Oh, tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know, tomorrow morning.
The Boss Baby was so funny. Well, I'm gonna watch it again by myself. That movie was so funny. And the baby is voiced by Alec Baldwin. Still walking. So how you doing, Joshua?
Mm-hmm. I don't need some weirdo.
Okay. Recording. Oh gosh, it's freezing. I remember living here back in the day, back 2 years ago when I used to live here 24/7. My brother and I would walk to the store. It felt like every single day. But now the prices have gone up. That having, $2 or $3 now, wouldn't give you too much to offer. So we stopped going on a daily basis. And it's the first time that we've walked to the store. Jeez, in probably about what? A year? So that's what we are doing. There's a lot of motion sensed lights. Remember, there used to be these 2 pit bulls that lived here, but they may have moved. I don't know. I've been gone for 5 months. I don't know who still lives and who's moved. Anyway, for anybody that is a fan of the band, or the rap band, if you will, Macklemore, there was a prop they used in, gosh, I don't know what song. I'm not a fan of Macklemore, but they used one of the props here as a prop, and I believe the song Thrift Store, that's over in the corner, it's that. Oh, we're going this way now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we changed directions. It's that that dog, that that blow up dog that they use in the song Thrift Store. It's right over there because Macklemore is a Spokane-based band and they do a lot of their music videos here. So that's interesting. Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty it is through my camera lens. Everything's purple. And it's 4 minutes. I have to find footage. So it's me just walking to the store. In the dark. With my brother. At, what time is it even? 7 p.m. Whoa. So now we're upon a busy street, kind of. Division. There's that dog. That's in the music video. Yeah. Cause I remember they were filming here, and I didn't know why this car sales place was closed, but apparently they were filming the music video.
Okay, all right.
We can go. Oh, we can't go. Whoops.
It's a short cycle if you don't press the button.
Oh, it is so cold out here.
Just at the cycle ended.
Yes. Now we're coming. Now we're going back.
Go.
Whoa. I swear, some people. I said, I swear, some people.
Some people?
They were running and someone turned.
Yeah, they do. Well, yeah, they do that. Well, that's why pedestrian has to be as vigilant as a driver nowadays.
That's so stupid because we have the right of way.
We do, but
Jeez.